Automatic bottle unscrambled machine. It can accommodate a large number of cans at a time. Automatically sorting into the conveyor belt of the packaging line, saving labor costs, improving production. Automatic tea-weighing filling machine, equipped with domestic well-known ultra-miniature combination. The filling speed is fast and the precision is high, suitable for all kinds of granules and solid materials. Flexible machine materials can be selected according to product materials. Fully automatic suction cap pressing capping machine. This machine with servo motor control. Machine structure is simple and easy operate, low maintenance cost, convenient maintenance. Automatic cap sorting, feeding, and pressing. It can used for different type of cap and bottle.